Let us now study about the Pluto, which is no longer a planet, but before 2006, it was considered as the ninth planet of our solar system. But on 24th August 2006, Pluto was excluded as a planet of solar system, and it was called Plutoid or a dwarf planet, because in this time it was discovered there are many such objects like Pluto, or many such bodies like Pluto are orbiting around our sun and solar system. Here you can see a picture of Pluto, which is not an absolutely dish-shaped picture. This is what is seen or discovered for Pluto. And it was also seen that there are several satellites of Pluto, out of which one satellite, which is Charon, here we can see in this picture, is also orbiting around the Pluto, but it is almost half the size of Pluto. And actually, on careful observation, it was found that both Pluto and Charon, they revolve about each other or revolve around their center of mass. This is because as Charon is almost half the size of Pluto, the Pluto's gravity cannot dominate all these satellites, or Charon's gravity is also affecting Pluto. This leads to a new definition of planet. It was considered as the new definition of a planet, that a planet is a body which dominates its surrounding neighborhood by its own gravity. But here, the satellite of Pluto, which is the largest satellite of Pluto, named Charon, is almost half the size of Pluto, because of which its own gravity is also significant, which will affect the motion of Pluto also. So, due to this, this system of bodies with all satellites is no longer considered as a planet, and afterwards there are more than 100 such dwarf planets or Plutoids are observed, which are revolving around the sun, and this belt of dwarf planets and small bodies which revolve around sun is called Kuiper belt. So Pluto is also considered as one member of the Kuiper belt, which we'll discuss later also. And another important point about Pluto, here we can write that its orbit is off the plane of other orbits of planets. Here you can see in this realistic animation, you can see all planets are revolving around the sun in a common plane in which all of their orbits exist, but the orbit of Pluto is off the plane, and such kind of orbits are called ecliptic orbits, in which the Pluto is revolving around the sun. It is elliptical orbit, but not in the plane of other planets. This is a most distinguished feature for Pluto's orbit. And here also we can write there are 5 known moons of Pluto discovered till now. And till now, 44 dwarf planets are discovered and named, which are revolving around the sun, but there can be many more.